This is a video on how to set the parameters of the MP5 series to measure the rotation speed. The Prescale value according to the display unit is as above. When measuring RPM, the Prescale value is 60. The input A Prescale mantissa value is set to 6.0000. The input A Prescale exponent value is set to 10 to the power of 1. The Prescale values are applied as above. When measuring in meter per sec, the Prescale value is 1 times L. The calculation method is as above. The input A Prescale mantissa value is set to 3.1415. The input A Prescale exponent value is set to 10 to the power of -1. The Prescale values are applied as above. Hold mode key for 3 seconds in run mode. Press mode key. Mode means the operation mode. Set to F1 mode. F1 mode is for measuring frequency, revolution and speed. Hold the mode key for 3 seconds to return to run mode. Hold the mode key for 3 seconds in run mode. Press up key to enter parameter group 2. Press mode key. PSC.A.H means Prescale, mantissa of input A. Press left key. Set to 3.1415. Press mode key. PSC.A.Y means Prescale, exponent of input A. Press left key. Set to 10 to the power of -1. Hold the mode key for 3 seconds to return to run mode. Parameter setting is complete.